day, what we are celebrating today. I want to add Mr. Rabindranath Tagore, who had dreamed about the new young India, the destiny of India. When the mind is without fear, the head is held high, knowledge is free, and the world has not been broken into fragments of narrow boundary walls, and the words come out from the depth of truth. जब शब्द आपके हृदय से निकलते हैं, then you connect with the orbs. What you are doing, you connect with other. Our former President APJ Kalam, who had already pointed out about if the country is free of corruption, then 3% of the society can make a difference. The father, mother, and the teacher. They can make a difference. They can create a landmark milestone for the society. They can change the society and the whole environment in which we are living. So children, the teachers, the role of teachers are very prominent and efficient, because without teachers, they cannot guide you and you cannot get your destination. So it is very remarkable representation. Then you respect your teachers. Institutions are the learning center. It's a temple of learning center. It molds the characters and it creates the intellectual leaders for tomorrow. And my hope, you all are intellectual leaders, because I can see the Prime Minister, Chief Minister, Engineer, doctors among you, and you are the laureates for us. You are the creator of the nation, because day by day passes, we are becoming old, and you have to take in charge in your hand, and you have to prove that this is your nation. But this freedom we didn't get easily. A lot of us struggle. Today we need to pay tribute to Indian fighters who sacrificed their life for our nation, and to those Indians also who make the destiny by wisdom and knowledge. So for both leaders, just we want to pay tribute, and we can give a tribute, a remarkable presentation of those Indian fighters. For this we are safely studying here. We are living in a better environment. If we really want to pay tribute to those Indian fighters, then we have to think about them. We can create a better future and better environment. Regarding science and technology and our scholars, they have a remarkable representation across the country. We believe in Satyam, Shivam and Sundaram, and we connect to the real life situation. The Satyam Nadella is the CEO of the Microsoft, and Shiv Nadar is the CEO of SCL, and the Sundar Pichai, already you are aware about that. Sundar Pichai is the CEO of the Google, but still the Indians are creating a landmark milestone, not only in India, across the country. And we should be thankful for that. We are getting such a wonderful atmosphere, but still we are stuck in some petty issues. Like that, we are stuck in discrimination on the various grounds: caste discrimination, gender discrimination, color discrimination, religion discrimination, which stop our progress. Still from the very beginning we are listening that India is a developing country, and it is not developed. However, we have developed, but still it is a developing country. So we have to think about that, how we can be categorized in the list of the developed country. And that is the slogan of this is the hallmark of our nation. Unity in diversity. That is the hallmark of our nation. We have different opinion, different mindset, but still we are working on the same platform, and that is the beautifulness of the nations. Correct. And all the students are getting education in a proper environment, and they are giving the remarkable presentation in front of a across the country also. So children, I want to quote also Gagan. Recently he cracked the IIT examination from the very unprivileged ground slum area. His father is a laborer, but still he cracked the IIT examination, the toughest examination of the country. I want to quote also Vinesh Fogart, a sports person who has created a landmark milestone across the country. And I want to quote also Neeraj Chopra. Recently he got the silver medal in Olympics. And Manu Bhanukar, currently 2 bronze medals. And in 2018 Olympic, she created 2 gold medals also for the country. So right now this is Young India, for which Rabindranath Tagore, who was the great author and Nobel laureate, who has discussed already about this Young India, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. The knowledge is free and the world has not been broken into fragments of the narrow boundary walls. So children, all of you have to think about above than petty issues. That definitely you can also create landmark in front of the people. We all Indians we have unity, and unity in diversity, this is the hallmark of the nation. We should continue it. Today I want to give tribute to those Indian fighters for which we are here celebrating our Independence Day from 1947. This is the 78th celebration we are doing. Today just I want to recite few lines about these Indian fighters who sacrificed their lives for the nation. है नमन उनको, है नमन उनको, जो इस देह को अमरत्व देकर, है नमन उनको, जो इस देह को अमरत्व देकर इस जगत में शौर्य की जीवित कहानी हो गए। है नमन उनको कि जिनके सामने बौना हिमालय जो धरा पर गिर पड़े और आसमानी हो गए हैं। है नमन उनको पिता जिसके रक्त ने उज्जवल किया कुलवंश माथा, माँ वही जो दूध का इस देश को रज घोल आई। पिता जिसके रक्त ने उज्जवल किया कुलवंश माथा, माँ वही जो दूध से इस रस को एक तौल आई। बहन जिसने सावनों में भर लिया पतझड़ स्वयं ही, हाथ ना उलझे कलाई से वो राखी खोल लाई। बेटियां जो लोरियों में भी प्रभाती सुन रहे, प्रभाती विजय गीत गाते हैं। और आज हमारे तिरंगे की ये ताकत है कि कभी भी किसी शहीद के पिता को आपने कैमरे को रोके हुए नहीं देखा होगा। बेटियां जो लोरियों में भी प्रभाती सुन रही थी, पिता तुम पर गर्व है चुपचाप जाकर बोल आई। प्रिया जिसकी चूड़ियों में, प्रिया जिसकी चूड़ियों में खनखनाती शौर्य थी, मांग का सिंदूर देकर वो उजाले मोल लाई। है नमन उस देहरी जहां तुम खेले कन्हैया, घर तुम्हारे परम तप की राजधानी हो गए। है नमन उनको जो इस देह को अमरत्व देकर इस जगत में शौर्य की जीवित कहानी हो गए। हमने लौटाए सिकंदर सर झुकाए मात खाए, हमसे भिड़ते हैं जो जिनका मन धरा से भर गया है। हमने लौटाए सिकंदर सर झुकाए मात खाए, हमसे भिड़ते हैं वे जिनका मन धरा से भर गया है। आज भी जम्मू कश्मीर में आतंकवादी कहते हैं कि हमें जन्नत मिलेगी। तो आज भी हमारे आर्मी मैन जो है डेली उनको जन्नत भेज रहे हैं। हम न लौटाए सिकंदर, सर झुकाए मात खाए, हमसे भिड़ते हैं वे जिनका मन धरा से भर गया है। नर्क में भी पूछना अपने बुजुर्गों से कभी भी, उनकी माथे पर हमारी ठोकरों का ही बयां है नमन उनको जो इस देह को अमरत्व देकर इस जगत में शौर्य की जीवित कहानी हो गए है नमन उनको। हमारे देश का इतिहास इतना गौरवशाली है, जहां भरत जो है सिंह के दांतों से काउंटिंग सीखता था, और सावित्री जो है अपने पति के लिए यमराज से जो फाइट की। तो हमारे देश का जो गौरवशाली इतिहास है, ये हमारे नेशन को और यूनिटी और स्ट्रेंथ प्रदान करता है। हमने लौटाए सिकंदर, सर झुकाए माथ पर, सिंह के दांतों से गिनती सीखने वालों के आगे, शीश देने की कला में क्या अजब है क्या नया है। जूझना यमराज से आदत पुरानी है हमारी, उत्तरों की खोज में फिर एक नचिकेता गया है कि है नमन उनको कि जिनकी अग्नि से हारा प्रभंजन, है नमन उनको कि जिनकी अग्नि से हारा दिवाकर। काल कौतुक जिसके आगे पानी पानी हो गए है नमन उनको जो इस देह को अमरत्व देकर इस जगत में शौर्य की जीवित कहानी हो गए है नमन उनको। जय हिंद। All the children stay with me. जय हिंद, जय भारत। We will maintain the dignity and sovereignty of our India. Thank you very much.